Hey everybody, so before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver who signed up and forgot to use a referral code to get your sign-on bonus, if you signed up and you didn't know anyone and you didn't apply a referral code and you started driving and you still want to get your sign-on bonus, there is still a way to retroactively apply a referral code to your account even if you did forget to use a code. Yes, it's okay. I'm gonna leave instructions in the description down below to apply a referral code of up to $1,000 to your account. It literally takes 30 seconds. It's all legit. You go through the app and it's working for most newer Uber drivers. Unfortunately, for older Uber drivers, or not in age, but people who have been driving for a long time, it's not really working too much, but it never hurts to try. So go ahead and try the instructions. And now let's get into the video. Get your $1,000. It's waiting for you. All right, now let's start the video. Hey everybody, how's it going? And welcome back to the #1 rideshare YouTube channel in the world. It's crazy that, we're able to have the #1 rideshare YouTube channel. Well, in my opinion, we're the best. There's some other good ones too. I'm gonna go ahead and leave a list of some really good ones too. You can check them out. Rideshare Revolution, Dustin is Driving, the Rideshare Guy, Rideshare Professor, Real Rideshare Stories, the Rideshare Hustle, just to name a few. But this is the Rideshare Hub, and today we are talking about, I'm basically responding to a DM that I got on Instagram. If you guys don't know, I leave my Instagram, my TikTok, and I'm pretty sure those are the only social medias that I do really use besides YouTube. I do use Snapchat too. I don't know if you guys want to Snapchat me. Nah, it's fine. I'm sure a lot of you older guys don't even use Snapchat or TikTok. But anyways, so today I'm responding to a DM. This is a newer type of video that I'm doing where I basically just respond to a question. I would do a Q&A, but unfortunately, if I did a Q&A, it would literally be like 2 hours long, 3 hours long maybe, because there's so much meat in a lot of these questions that I do want to unpack. And a lot of these things are not simple yes or no questions. So before I get into the question, if you could do me one simple little tiny weensy teensy weeny eeny beeny kakakatini favor and smash the like button. I would really appreciate that. It does help me out as a creator to get those likes just so I can keep making videos. And unfortunately, if you guys leave thumbs downs or if I don't get tons of likes on the videos, I can't keep making videos and I will have to shut the channel down. So if you don't want me to make videos anymore, leave a thumbs down. If you do want me to make videos, leave a thumbs up. All right, so without further ado, let's get started into the video. Also subscribe, we're coming out with videos every single day on Rideshare YouTube, Rideshare content. We're trying to every day. If we miss a day, whatever. But that's what we're trying to do. We have me, Keenan, Jacob Letman, and Greg Wave. Keenan Anderson. Me, Dylan. Okay, here we go. This is a DM. I'm not gonna leave the guy's Instagram on here just for privacy reasons, but here we go. This is it. I'm gonna plop it up right here so you guys can read along with me. Story time, guys. Here we go. Also, if you guys are wondering why I look so tired, it's because, guess what time it is? Can you guys see that? 3:38 p.m.? No, a.m. Yep. I know it's getting a little late. Why am I making videos? Well, I just went out. I was out at the Abbey in West Hollywood. Don't know if I saw any of you guys out there. Was I driving passengers? No. I was taking a sip of a little Moscow Mule. It was a fun time. But yeah, I just got tired and a lot of times I just get home and I get bored, so I figure why not hop on the good old YouTube and give you guys some content. So if I look tired or if I sound tired, I'm sorry, but I needed to get this video out to you guys ASAP, and I did want to respond to this question because I just got this and I feel like a lot of people do want to know the answer. So he goes, hey, how are you? Doing pretty well, thank you. I am a little tired, but it's okay. I'm gonna hit the snooze in a little bit. He goes, I have a quick question. If you could assist, long story short, I've been driving for Lyft for over a month or so now. I inquired about my sign up bonus, and upon looking into it, they told me somehow the code wasn't attached and all that stuff, and unfortunately, there was nothing they can do. Is it another way around them to still retrieve the sign up bonus, or am I just SOL? You guys know what SOL means. If you don't, it means poop out of luck. Not poop though, the SH word, which I can't say on here for YouTube monetization reasons. He goes, no biggie. If so, just wondering, especially because I see your YouTube channel talks about the retroactive Uber bonus. If you could held when you get a chance, it would be greatly appreciated. Thanks. Also keep up the good work. Oh, thank you so much. I will keep up the good work. I've been working hard. Guys, I'm gonna try to do a week of Uber, a week of Lyft. I've been doing a lot of Instacart recently. I've been doing Postmates. Well, I've only done a few, I haven't done that much Postmates actually. I've been trying to do more Postmates. But I've been doing all the different apps. I'm gonna do a week of Uber earnings. I'm gonna go over my earnings, week of Lyft. Again, week of Instacart, DoorDash, Postmates, Uber Eats, maybe Grubhub, maybe Wag, the dog walking app. I'm pretty sure that's it. But to answer this guy's question, he goes, basically, long story short, well, as he said, he signed up for Lyft, and I guess it looks like he tried to sign up with a code, whatever, and within a month or so, I'm tired. Sorry. Oh, it's daylight savings, guys. That's why it's 3:38. It's actually 2:38, but 3:38 because it's daylight savings. As I'm making this, daylight savings just literally happened. We were out at the Abbey and kaboom, it changed an hour. I was like, where'd 2 a.m. even go? So for Lyft, he signed up with Lyft and he used his code, everything's going normal, and then about a month in, he goes, oh, where's my bonus? Where's my money? Guys, when you sign up for Lyft with the code, you will see your status as you're driving. Like, say you need to do 100 rides to get a $1,000 bonus. You're gonna see, it's gonna show a TikTok thing, like a bar, and it's gonna keep going. It's gonna fill up the bar until you get to $1,000 bonus or guarantee, whatever. That's how it works for me when I did mine. So if you don't have that bar there and it's not telling you, like, something's off. You wanna contact them ASAP. He waited a month, he just thought he was gonna get his bonus, and then they told him, oh, you never signed up with the bonus. Are they stealing money from him? I don't know, something fishy, little fishy wonky poo poo. He didn't sign up, they told him he didn't sign up, even though he, claims he did. And for whatever reason, Lyft is not doing retroactive sign up bonuses. Why not? Lyft, why are you not doing the retroactive sign up codes? It's absolutely bonkers to me, because this guy easily could be like, oh, I didn't get a sign-up code? Okay, fine, I'm gonna go drive for Uber, who does do a retroactive sign-up code. I think it's actually crazy that they don't. But yeah, sorry dude, like, there's nothing you can do, man. There's literally nothing you can do. Lyft just leaves you out in the dust. Uber, yes, you can. Use our codes. Sign up. Use our codes, get your cash bonus, guarantee, whatever it is, depending on your markets, changing all the time. A lot of people say there's no more cash bonuses. Well, you never know. They could come back, the guarantees could be gone forever, and now could only do cash bonuses. In my opinion, I think Uber and Lyft should start doing $1,000 cash bonuses after 1,000 rides. Why? Because after 1,000 rides, now you have an active driver. That driver is probably gonna be driving for 6 months, 7 months, a year, 2 years. Much more likely than just the initial 20, 30 rides, 100 rides. Most people to get their bonus and then leave. So that's my proposal. I'm gonna send Uber and Lyft a big email saying that, you should start doing $1,000 cash bonuses, and hopefully it'll work, And I'll write sincerely from the Rideshare Hub, because they know I make vids, and, I got a lot of respect from Uber and Lyft employees. So I just wanted to say that, yeah, at this time, man, I'm sorry, dude, but there's nothing else you can do. The only thing I would recommend is just keep driving and keep making that money. get the Play Octopus tablet, you know, find other ways to make money. Unfortunately, that's really all you can do at this point, is just, you know, drive for Uber, drive for Lyft, and try to make money without the bonus. So I'm sorry it sucks, but it's simply the way it is. Yeah, thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Bye, guys.